This is the introduction. So what's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in. So this is the introduction to my bike. This is a 2008 GSXR 600. My first bike. Had it for like a month now. And in terms of modifications, got only an M4 slip-on exhaust, and that's about it. Pretty much, yeah. So today we're going to link up with my good man Balaji. Balaji is Tuff, aka Respect the Roar, and we're about to work on the bike. And essentially, I'm doing an OEM mirror delete because fucking GSXRs and their fucking mirrors. I don't need this shit. So mirror delete with the stealth mirror wing install. I'm gonna be putting bar mirrors, taking this ugly shit out, one seater, so I don't really need a back seat. So I'm putting a seat cover delete, and what else? I'm going to be changing the oil, even though I already did that, but I already put like 1,500 miles on it already. So, oh, that's not good. That's not good. I just realized my tire cap is not on. So, I think I'm going to go back to the crib and put that bitch on, because that shit got me, I heard horror stories about back rear tire losing air. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to the crib and put that back on, but I'm gonna cut that part out. But yeah, this video will probably take place the next time you see us. I'm about to be with Balaji, and we're about to be working on the bikes. All right, and we're recording. It's a good sign. I'm glad everything is working fine. Now the only thing I'm skeptical about is the mic audio. Like, it's good, but this specific mic picks up a lot of noise in general, so it might sound like I'm talking loud as shit, but the mic is just really good at picking up audio. But yeah, I have a lot of things in store. Yeah, you see, I could tell that's about to be loud as fuck. But I have a lot of things in store for this channel. A lot of content. A lot of tough ass content, man. You have no fucking idea, bro. For the longest, people have been DMing me and messaging me about YouTube, and I'm not gonna lie, I've been bullshitting for the longest. I will admit that. But one day I woke up and I was just like, you know what? Fuck it. You know what I'm saying? Like, no more excuses. No more fucking excuses. So we got bike content, we got car content, we got fucking self-improvement shit that we about to be on, you know? Escaping this fucking matrix, aka crypto, stocks. That's my favorite dog right there. She likes to fucking always say hi to me when I walk past, popping my little wheelies and shit. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a tough ass journey, and I want you guys to tag along and see the life of Bert and the crew, the Tuff crew. There's a lot of us. I mean, my circle's small, but it's a lot of us. You know what I'm saying? I think I don't know how to drive. Sometimes you gotta deal with people like that. But yeah, man, it's a good fucking Friday, that's for sure. I gotta learn how to stop riding that clutch. Only been riding for a month, so you know what I'm saying? This shit should be what the fuck is going on over here? It's a lot of bullshit, man. But yeah. Now only obstacle I probably have to face is the computer and the editing software, because it's choppy as hell. Probably because of the footage quality I'm recording in, but that ain't nothing. That ain't about nothing. I really feel like they're just lane split right now. Like, this shit makes no sense. Like, what the fuck, bro? Can't do shit though. You know what I'm saying? I haven't ate nothing all day. It should be interesting. Be really, really interesting. I can't wait till I think the first mod is gonna be the back seat cover, because that bitch looked that's like the first and it's the easiest. It takes like 2 seconds. So I'm gonna do that first. And damn, I don't know if it's just my visor, bro, but the sky right now, I'm rocking an ND filter on the GoPro, so it's more realistic, cuts down the shutter speed, and the sky right now is looking marvelous. But also I'm doing a learning to wheelie episode journey, so you're gonna see a lot of wheelie episodes. She was on her phone while turning. That shit is insane. But you're gonna see a lot of footage of that. That should be fun. It's been like 4 days so far, and I will do say so myself, I'm already getting the hang of it. I just gotta practice fucking the balance point in first gear. That shit's scary, but the more times you do it, the better. In second gear, I'm having real trouble popping this bitch up. I'm not gonna lie to you. I even try to do stand-up wheelies, but what I learned is you have to be real comfortable with doing wheelies sitting down on first gear before you could practice stand-ups, because it's a whole different ball game. Oh, look, we have a Fed right here. But you know what I'm saying? It's life is all about progression, you know. Slow steps and consistency will eventually, you'll be successful. So that's all it is. Why the fuck am I holding the clutch right now? Like, I should be in first gear. I mean, fucking I should be in fucking neutral. And you see what I have to deal with? That's the shit I'm talking about. That bullshit I'm talking about. Look at this. Look. One thing I learned about driving, my awareness is already up there, but fucking with dudes like these, you gotta realize that oh, I did not know we were taking the highway. This should be interesting. This should be real interesting. First highway POV. Yes sir, yes sir, man. You gotta deal with bullshit like that. You gotta, you know, give them the finger, disappear, you know what I'm saying? On my ass for what? Like, you see I'm on a corner, but you still decide to fucking, like, this niggas be having no sense of dignity, bro. No humanity. But yeah, man. Hopefully everything over here is recorded nicely. Yes, sir. Mind you, I've only been riding for a month, so I'm still getting used to shit. And yes, I know my limits. I already failed twice. And to be honest, if I'm keeping it real, you need to fuck up so you can learn what to not do. So that's my 2 cents. I really, wow. I really hope it wasn't doing this the whole time. That would be sad. That would be real sad. That shit fucking, that shit went like this. Damn. This shit is just so loose. What the flying fuck? The loose booty ass shit. Oh. Oh. This is a nice. Hold up. Oh. Let me find. This is a nice place to learn wheelies. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. This is a dope place to learn wheelies. Ooh, what's up, gang? What it do, bro? Long time no see. You good? Oh man. You said your Sater was back then, man?
So when I bought it,
yeah.
My boy crashed it. So
He rode it and he crashed it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we were leaving the place, he told me he could ride it home, and he could ride, but like, there's just a lot of shit happened.
Yeah.
So my bike was originally like matte gray.
Yeah.
Matte gray, so I changed the entire bearing kit. This is still fucked up. I replaced this entire side here.
Yeah.
And the stator cover got damaged, and this shit leaks, so you can see like all this oil, and it gets on my tire.
Oh shit.
So I can't lean.
You be riding like this?
Yeah. I don't lean on the left side.
Okay.
Like I want like there's a turn that way.
You don't
I'm
lean.
like on 20 miles per hour type shit.
Yeah.
But like that way it does not matter. But I'm trying to get this shit done now because I'm like.
Yeah, I feel that. That's insane, bro.
I've been dreading it because like I didn't want to take all this shit off. And the first time I didn't want to do it, I didn't have the tools I needed.
Yeah.
But like now it's just like if I want to ride properly, I have to because there's no way I'm gonna slide. It had a 1,300 miles when I got it.
1,300?
Yeah.
Dope. Where'd you get this?
Like March 8th.
March 8th? Oh, okay.
Can we do it end of February?
This is Ninja 636?
Yeah.
600. A lot of people think it's a 750, 1,000 because there's no. It looks kind of like beefy, and then it's like I don't put no stickers on that shit, so it's like.
Oh, we got the same exhaust.
Yes, vlog. This is Balaji here. Met him in college. Just a good friend of mine. We go way back, and he's just bike problems, you know, bike team. Fixing the Sater. His Ninja 636. Sexy. All black. And the flip on exhaust. Oh shit! I got to see the car. Oh shit! I'm not dawned on me. I haven't seen you since like the day when you did that. We actually in the flip happen. I was there. Oh no! What happened with the car though?
I think Alice has it.
Oh yeah.
So I had an accident with the deer.
Yeah.
And I was like, you know what? This is a good time for me to just do this. So I tried to take the engine out, sold the engine.
successful day. Installed the wing mirrors. These bitches look OD in person, bro. Oh my god. It's so sick. Let me just flip them up.
You always ready?
Yep. So gorgeous. This back seat cover's gorgeous.
I got like maybe